Your remote gets you to all the things you love, faster than ever before. The Home button takes you to your home screen, where you'll find a range of shows, movies and apps you can enjoy on SkyStream. As you explore what's available, use the Back button to take you to the previous screen. To get back to what you were watching, press Home and select Currently Playing. When you're watching TV, you can use the Up and Down buttons to quickly switch to the next channel in the TV guide. Distracted while watching TV? Use the Play and Pause button to pause what you're watching. To rewind, press left. And to fast forward, press right. Press again to speed up. And when you want to watch again, just press play. To skip to a particular part of a show, press and hold left to move backwards, or right to move forwards. The Playlist button is a handy way to save anything you want to watch later to your playlist. To use voice control, press and hold the Voice button while speaking into the top of your remote. Go to Sky Atlantic. Rewind 30 seconds. Go to My Playlist. Pressing the Options menu button helps you change settings such as subtitles. For more information, go to sky.com/help or say My Sky to your Sky Stream.